Okay, you guys, I know I still have my Hubson shirt on, but we're going Fimi now. And with this flight, there's not much to say as far as firmware goes. I'm still on the current firmware. There hasn't been a new one here recently. So what we're going to do today is I've got this in sport mode. We're going to take it full tilt, see how it records in sport mode. Most of all, we're going for range. I know this will do 1.5 miles without any hesitation. And the one impressive thing is just how fast it gets there. So I'm going to put this in imperial measurement, not metric, which I'll do right now. But that way you can actually see it say 1 mile on my screen recording. And I forgot where that's at. There it is. Imperial. Okay. So GPS right now is about 12 satellites in my trunk. So I'm gonna do a hand takeoff and we'll let it hover a little bit here. It says landing. I did something wrong there. So what I did there is I did it all to take off, but I also hit the button and then went in right into landing automatically. So that's why it dropped. We don't have a Hubson drop with the Fimi. So as you can see, nice and steady, holds real good. We still got a nice strong breeze, just like I did with the Hubson. She's locking in and fighting and doing fine. So we are going to see how fast we can get out there to a long range. And we're heading out. So let's see how far we can get with this baby. So I'm doing a few little turns here and there just to kind of see how the quality is at this sport mode. Got real cloudy, so also I had to change the setting to cloudy. We do have a storm coming in. I hope to get the rest of my flights in today. So let's pan up and down and see how we get the quality there. We're already at 1,500 feet. (2,000 feet). No lag on my FPV whatsoever. Beautiful clear picture on my FPV. Love that. How far will she go? Signal comes in and out a little bit, kind of trying to adjust my controller accordingly. Watching my battery here, we're 64%. Getting ready to hit 5,000 feet. I don't know what that is off to the distance. Never been there. I guess it's a park and campground maybe. So I know there's one out here somewhere. I'm going to take it up a little bit to my 400-foot mark.
Please charge us at.
Alright, so if you hand catch it and you just sit there and hold, make sure you cover the sensors with your hand. You hand catch it and just sit there and hold it and be patient. Don't panic. It will shut down on you. So she's a little bit warm, not bad. When I flew the Xeno, it was pretty damn hot on the top. But the bottom's just warm. It's not bad at all. So again, this has been a great flight. I love this quad. I highly recommend it. I'm going to throw a link in the bottom of the video in the description here of a code that I have for Banggood. And if you haven't seen in my other video, I'm now doing an affiliate program with Banggood, and I do get a commission if you buy the Fimi at the current sale that they have. I forgot what the price was. I have it on $399 with the code that I provide. As long as you use my link and that code, I get a commission, and I think that commission is like $15 for the Fimi X8 SE, and 100% of those proceeds at January of 2020 are going to go to Children's Hospital Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And my goal is $1,000 or more, and if I'm just close to that $1,000, if I'm up, like 300 short, I'm going to throw that money in myself so I can send a check, which when that time comes, I'll show the check, and that way I can have met my goal. But my whole goal is to stick with the affiliate program, and my channel isn't up high enough or big enough to start making any money, generating any money from it yet. So all I've got is the affiliate program. So I've got to work hard to get that $1,000. But hopefully you guys will click that link. This is going to go in and out of stock, so keep checking it if it says out of stock. And all you have to do is click on the warehouse to ship it from. If you're in USA or Canada, you click CN, and then you click the other option for everybody else. And there's some places like Indonesia and stuff like that that they just will not ship it to because of your current laws and stuff for batteries. So that's unfortunate, because you're not able to enjoy the hobby as much. But I got one more flight to throw out here with another quad, and we got a storm brewing, getting ready to hit. So I need to get that done. So thank you everybody so much for watching my channel. Subscribe, click that bell for future content, and as always, on your way out the door, please give that thumbs up and help me generate a good ranking within the searches for content whenever you're searching for my content, and that'll help me out a bunch. So you guys are already great at doing it, so please keep giving those thumbs up and help me out, and watch this small channel grow. Take care.